Hello, welcome. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about Java installation as well as downloading and installing the IDE. Also, we have discussed that we will be using either Eclipse or IntelliJ, which is most popular IDE for Java programming. Now we will understand how you can use IDE to write the program. Whether you use Eclipse or whether you use IntelliJ, your programming concept will remain same. Only slight difference will be there in user interface, the menus. Once you start using any of the IDE, you will slowly understand how to use the different features in the IDE. Now I will use IntelliJ. Let me open the IntelliJ. Command space IntelliJ, or you can click on the icon and open it. Once you open it, it will show this kind of a screen. If you already have some other projects, it will show here. Right now I will create a new project. I will name the project as Core Java. I will leave the location default, and build system I will select as Maven. Again, this build system is a different topic altogether. We can discuss that in separate lectures, but right now our job is to create a Java project and write the Java program. So I will provide this name here, keep the default location, and again if you want to create a Git repository, you can select this, that is to push the code to the GitHub. And JDK, if you have different versions, you can select that version. So I will select this 21 version. So there is one more version available that we have installed, so I can select this 2106. And if you want to create a Git repository, you can select this, but I will not select this because Git is a different topic altogether. That one we will discuss in the another section. So you can leave the other things as it is and click on create. So now the project got created, and this is a pom.xml. Here you can add the dependencies, but right now we do not need any more dependencies. Already we have a Java dependency added, so I can close this. See here within the src folder, here within the main folder, within the Java folder, I will be writing the Java code, right? And here if you are doing any testing activities for unit testing, you can write the code here, but for now we will select this Java folder, and this is a resource. If you want to save any images or files related to project, you can use this folder. Right now I will select Java folder and new. I will create a package. Package name is, I will call it as, let us say module 1. Okay, within this module 1 I will create a Java class, hello world. You can enter the class name here, it will get created. So now the class got created. Now you can write a sample program here, right? Say I will call public static void main, and here system.out.println hello world. It will just print this particular statement, hello world, right? If you go here, you cannot see any class file now, but once you save it and if you run this program by clicking this icon here, run button in the top right corner, you can see run hello world. See here target folder got created. Here you can observe classes. Here hello world class file got created. This is a class file. It means this program got compiled and it has run. It has finished with exit code 0. It means successful. It has printed this particular statement. You can print any statement here. For example, system.out.println. Say I want to add two numbers. Let us say I will put 2 plus 2. Then it should print 4, right? Let me save and run. You can see number 4 got printed. So this folder contains project specific settings. You can leave it as it is. This is the project folder. Core Java means project name. It's a project specific settings. Idea folder contains project specific settings, which is automatically created. And here src means source code, Java source. Here main folder and test folder. Main folder contains your main application code, and here test folder you can write your unit tests. See, these are all for Java development purpose. You can use different whenever you are doing a Java development, you can use these different folders. Here the target folder means here classes will get created and generated sources. If any auto generated source files are there, it will get generated here, right? And here external dependencies, you can add external jar files. Here Java is already added. If you need some other external dependency, it will get added here, right? Again, pom.xml we will be using for saving the dependencies and plugins, right? That one we don't need now. I will close it. Here class file will get created for the this Java file, this hello world.java. For that, this is a class file. That one we have discussed. Once a program get compiled, there will be a class file created. So these are the different folder structure. This is where you write the program. This is where it will show the output here. So this is how you can use IDE to write the program. There are some other features available here. As we start using this, you will come to know about the different features, right? Thank you for watching.